Hi, welcome to another edition of Herbs with Herbs. We have a special guest with us, Nicole. We're going to go through another recipe for you, corned beef and cabbage today. Nicole, anything you want to add before we get started?
Actually, corned beef and cabbage I think is a really good meal for a trucker on the go, being as the meat is salted and cured already, so it stays longer, fresher longer. So it'll be really good transition from preparing at home to cooking on the road.
Exactly. And then what we've done today is we've incorporated some of your tips that you've had for us. Some of the tips is before you leave home, you can go ahead and make basically a meal in a bag, so you've already got everything prepared and you're ready to go. We had some tips from other people about using gloves so that you don't have to worry about washing your hands. So we have these. And we value your tips, so if you have any other tips that you would like to share with us, please feel free to comment so that we can use those. First thing we'll do is we will take and we'll put our gloves on. And you can pick these gloves up at Sam's, at any restaurant supply place or something like that. And it just makes it easier for you to be able to get your food and you keep your hands clean. We're going to use a pan today. I know last time we used the tin foil because I'm cheap, but we'll use a pan today. And like I said, we've already prepared this before we left. We'll take the cabbage, it's already cut up, and we'll put it in the bottom. And then we're going to take and we'll grab the cabbage or the corned beef, and we'll go ahead and place that in our pan.
And when you buy the corned beef, it comes with the seasoning packet inside the bag, so that's always nice too. Less hassle, less worry, less.
And you don't have to worry about buying all those seasonings. And then we'll take and place the potatoes. If you've got extremely large potatoes, you could cut them in half. But we'll go ahead and we'll get everything in here so that we're ready to cook. And this is going to be probably 2 meals.
Yeah.
And I think whenever we bought this, how much did we pay for this when we bought it?
The brisket itself, or the corned beef itself, was about $8, and it was about 3 pounds. So we cut it into thirds. So okay. It turns out with everything included in here, about $3 to $4 for this meal. So if you say that we can do 2, then even less.
Okay, and for that kind of price, if you went in and got a meal of this quality and of this type at a truck stop, it's probably going to run anywhere from $9 to $12.
Right, and it's even cheaper than a fast food meal as well.
And it's a lot healthier.
A lot healthier.
A lot healthier.
Yes.
Okay, and then we're going to, I'll ask Nicole to pour just a little bit of water in there. We want to just make sure that there's some liquid to get it started. And then, probably 3 or 4 tablespoons of liquid in there. You don't want to overdo it because the vegetables are going to have their own liquid come out. And then once we do that, then we can take our gloves off so we don't get everything messy in our truck. And then we'll take and open up our cooker, and we will set this in. And then all we have to do is close it up, and then whenever you get ready for your meal, about 2 hours, hour and a half, or hour and 45 minutes before you're ready to stop for lunch, just reach over, plug it into the cigarette lighter in your truck, and it's going to be hard to resist the smell of it as it starts to cook and get ready to eat. Okay, just like on the cooking shows, through the magic, we put this one, and we have one that we've already prepared so that it just saves your time, so that you don't have to wait for an hour and a half or so. And this is the way the pan's going to come out. Too bad we don't have smell-o-vision because it actually smells phenomenal. But as you're making your meal, you can take your vegetables out, however many you want.
And then, so the lunchbox gets up to about 300 degrees. So this corned beef has been cooking for about 2 hours.
Yep. And we'll get some of the awesome cabbage that's in there. That's the favorite part. And as we're looking at this, you'll notice that the potatoes are nice and soft, perfect eating. The cabbage is perfect, and then the beef, it's going to depend on your taste. Some people like it cooked more than others, so you'll kind of gauge the time by how long it's going to take to cook. And we'll let Nicole try it.
Delicious.
All right, thank you again for joining Herbs with Herbs. Don't forget, wipes are great for cleaning up, and then all of the utensils and everything we used are disposable. The lunch box that you see, you can get them at any truck stop for between $35 and $40. The money you're saving is going to pay for itself the very first week that you're out. You're eating healthy, you're taking care of yourself, and it's going to be a lot more enjoyable because you've got that quality of food instead of eating fast food, and you're cooking it yourself to your taste.
Yeah. And we hope you enjoy our recipe today, corned beef and cabbage, just in time for St. Patty's Day.
Exactly.
And if you're interested in a truck driving job with Schneider, go ahead and give us a call at 1-800-44-PRIDE, and subscribe and like for more videos. They'll be coming soon.